Arancini Sicilian Arborio Croquette. Ingredients. For the risotto: 1/4 cup olive oil, 1 medium white onion, finely chopped, 1 pound arborio rice or Carnaroli, about 2 1/3 cups, 2 teaspoons kosher salt, plus more as needed, ½ teaspoon freshly ground black pepper, plus more as needed, ½ cup dry white wine, 4 cups, 1 quart, stock or low-sodium chicken broth, ½ cup water, 1 cup finely grated Parmigiano-Reggiano cheese, about 2½ ounces, 1/3 cup finely chopped sun-dried tomatoes packed in oil. For the filling: 3 cups shredded mozzarella cheese, about 12 ounces, ½ cup finely chopped fresh basil leaves. For frying and serving: 2 to 2½ quarts vegetable oil, ½ cup all-purpose flour, kosher salt, freshly ground black pepper, 4 large eggs, 1½ cups fine, unseasoned breadcrumbs, tomato sauce. Directions. For the risotto: 1. Heat the oil in a large wide pot or Dutch oven over medium heat until shimmering. Add the onion, season with salt and pepper, and cook, stirring occasionally, until the onion has softened, about 5 to 6 minutes. 2. Add the rice, measured salt, and measured pepper and stir to combine. Cook, stirring constantly with a wooden spoon and making sure to scrape the bottom of the pan, until the rice starts to crackle, about 1 to 2 minutes. Add the wine and cook, stirring occasionally, until all of the liquid has been absorbed. 3. Add the broth and water, stir to combine, and bring to a boil. Reduce the heat to medium-low and simmer, stirring occasionally, until the rice is completely tender and cooked through, about 10 to 12 minutes. 4. Remove the pot from the heat and stir in the Parmigiano-Reggiano and sun-dried tomatoes. Taste and season with salt and pepper as needed. Transfer the risotto to a rimmed baking sheet and spread it into an even layer. Let sit until cooled to room temperature, about 30 minutes. Cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate until chilled, at least 2 hours or overnight. For the filling: 1. When ready to begin frying, drop 1/4 cup portions of the chilled risotto onto a second baking sheet. They do not need to be perfectly formed balls, set aside. 2. Combine the mozzarella and basil in a medium bowl. Measure 1 tablespoon portions of the mixture, form it into compact balls with your fingers, and place onto a work surface or large plate. You should have the same number of rice balls and filling balls. 3. Have a small bowl of water ready. Moistening your hands with the water as needed to prevent sticking. Place 1 portion of the risotto in your palm and press it into a 4-inch wide patty. Place 1 portion of the mozzarella mixture in the center of the patty and wrap the risotto tightly around it to completely enclose it, forming a smooth and compact ball. 4. Place the risotto balls back onto the second baking sheet and repeat with the remaining portions of risotto and filling, set aside. For frying: 1. Heat the oil in a Dutch oven or a large, heavy-bottomed pot over medium-high heat until it reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit on a deep frying/candy thermometer. Heat the oven to 275 degrees Fahrenheit and arrange a rack in the middle. Set a wire rack over a baking sheet, set aside. 2. Meanwhile, place the flour in a medium bowl and season with salt and pepper. Place the eggs in a second medium bowl and lightly beat with a fork to break them up. Finally, place the breadcrumbs in a third medium bowl. 3. Working with 1 risotto ball at a time, roll it in the flour until lightly coated, tapping off any excess. Then dip it into the eggs, letting any excess drip off. Finally, roll it in the breadcrumbs until evenly coated. Return it to the baking sheet and repeat with the remaining risotto balls. 4. When the oil is ready, add 5 of the breaded balls and fry, turning occasionally, until golden brown all over and the cheese in the middle is melted, about 5 minutes. Using a slotted spoon or spider, remove the arancini to the wire rack and place in the oven. Repeat with the remaining breaded balls. Serve immediately with the warm tomato or marinara sauce.